Spain town to beat them, but so me with them. I know people have phone and ooh.
Love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna bake cake today. So I'm gonna get my things them. I'm just gonna get my egg them honestly. And that's my egg them I get, you see me? So them say 3 eggs. I know that them eggs are good. These eggs are good for sure. So yeah, I can't say what I want to see, but we're going to get this thing going. Yeah, I'm gonna put them egg here now. So I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together and all the wet ingredients. Alright, so I'm going to get a little plate. I'm going to cover the egg them in there. I'm supposed to take out the egg them, but I can't bother with that right now. Suppose somebody do the egg. Almost splash it out some. Guys, you're supposed to do this in separate containers just in case something wrong with the egg. But let's use my predictions. Alright. Ooh. Spain town to beat them, but some we whip them. Line up people have phone and it. Ooh. What? This a leak? Look how me dash this something because of uno. I don't like uno.
I never me tell you go do it. I never me send you go do it.
More like, but guys, when you make me throw me something. So now me have to go wipe this up. Me have to wipe out this because I don't know egg raw bad. And because of uno. Yeah. So, I try to show you the bowl stills. Yeah. I'm not gonna see it. Alright. So that's done. Alright, so the 1 cup marker the right this one.
Yeah, where did that go?
Alright.
Really?
1 cup of water. And we're going to add it to the dry ingredient, which is the egg. Add that to the egg now. Egg all watery now. We need a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. So we need 1/2 cup of that. So wait, I'm gonna make a mistake.
Come back here, come back here. It's all empty.
Alright. So guys, just a cook olipa today. Good time. Alright. That's it right there. I don't know if you can see it. But that's it right there. Get back with thing. You see me? And we're gonna put it in now. So we get oily watery egg. You know? So I don't mind this, like me burn the plate, yeah. Burn the plate. Yeah, typical me. Alright. So now we're getting the Funfetti cake mix. Alright, so right now I'm gonna put everything. Alright, now this smells so sweet. Alright, so right now I'm just going to throw away everything that I am not going to be using. So the egg and then here I'm going to throw away. Guys, so now what am I going to use mix this? Y'all should be using a wooden spoon. What am I going to use, ma? Why am I do that? Yeah, that spoon I'm going to use and mix it because yeah, I want to mix it too, but I don't think I need that. So just in case it's smooth and all. Let me see if we can carry it over here, so wait, the one still can't see it. I'm going to try and fix this so you guys can see what's going on in the plate. Close to them. I know I want to smell this and it smells good. I'm not telling no lie. This smells good. So right now we're going to add it all at once. Yeah. We're going to add it all at once. Alright. Add that all at once. And now we're going to mix them together. Alright. I have a tiny knife and then somewhere. So we're going to wash these things. I'm going to see them in open when I'm sleeping. What you do? Okay, I'm YouTube video. Yeah. Get your vice. You know, what it tap, you know? Yeah, man. Typical Jamaican. They know they love you so much. This one, And I show them how to cook. Come out and something.
We can put one.
No.
One?
TJ, excuse.
One.
You're not getting none of this now, let me tell you.
Alright, that's
Make
what
a
we
cookie.
cut. Let me cut one.
No.
One.
Guys, in the earring. Just move. TJ, move. Me, I call you. Guys, don't get siblings like mine. Annoying. Annoying. Jesus, Savior. Alright, I want me to go to Spain town to squeeze it. Till I avoid over and put the street, right?
Yeah, you going to do it?
Yeah. And then Japan put it.
After how much money I this?
Me.
You're going to do anything?
Yes, me.
Just
Me.
the one you take.
And me, you will eat.
How you going?
Because me in there, you never see me.
Yes. After.
You make the place get noisy. Yeah. You don't get some food, brother? If you get some food, you'll go to the hospital. Right. So guys, mother say when for do meatballs, so me gonna do meatballs. Cause that she said me for do. So now I'm going to add some powder seasoning to this. So we're not using a lot. I know we're gonna make some all of it. Alright guys, so God, y'all don't like to do this, but it is what it is. So we are mix up the thing together. I mean, I don't mind. I like when you need flour. You mix it up, you see me? Put flour in there, guys. But Candice definitely have to put some more. You can make it all them different size, but don't make them too big. Mainly because them not gonna cook inside. You have to make them stay long. I'm not so I don't know to cook it, so yeah, don't make them too big. Just make them normal. Right now, me make more go fit the wall. I'm joking, but like you have to be like this is nice thing. Just pick up to me. Oh, okay. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make them come back on the phone. Guys, right now, then fry. So after we fry those, we're just going to get rid of some of the oil, and then we're going to saute the vegetables and make a sauce. You can use tomato sauce, but I made my own sauce, yes. And then you're going to add your spaghettis, and that's it. I taste?
Food tastes nice, yeah, learn. You learn from the best.
I like that too. Guys, my mother said food look what she has. Ooh.